My name is Jace of Eclipse Effect Events. We also have Dayna of Naupaka Events and Weddings. How's it going, Dayna?
Good. How are you, Jace? Thanks for having me.
Let's talk about animals at weddings. You know, pets, animals, they're kind of like family members to a lot of us. Couples might want them at the weddings, and sometimes the animals, the pets, they're just not too well behaved, so they have to be left at home. But regardless, they're loved like family members by a lot of couples. And we've actually seen our fair share of animals at weddings. Oh, I should actually call them pets, yeah?
Yeah, I guess so. Pets would probably sound better.
Yes, because animals could be like cheetahs and stuff, right? So
Yeah.
tell me like a scenario of what you see in like a pet at a wedding.
So typically I've seen dogs be brought in for the ceremony if the venue allows for it. For this particular one, it was at the Fairmont Orchid. So they brought their family dog to come, and he walked with the groom down the aisle and then hung out at the arch or the arbor with the couple as they were getting married. It was really cute.
Oh, nice. It made for probably some great pictures, right?
Oh, definitely. And he was very well behaved, so it was enjoyable.
You know, I've actually seen some pets too. I've actually seen like a couple put like the ring on top of the dog's collar and then the dog walked down the aisle. And of course it was well behaved because you don't want the dog running off with the ring, right? So the dog basically became the ring bearer of that wedding.
Oh, that's a good idea.
But sometimes, as we know, pets are not always the most well behaved. So there's times when they leave the pet at home, because I've actually seen like at a ceremony on both sides of the aisle, like life-size cutouts of their dogs. So
Oh, I have seen that. That's super cute.
it's nice because they're still in pictures and people love them. People were actually taking photos with those cutouts. And the other one that I've actually seen was a cat and dog made into a cake topper and then put on top the cake. That's another way of them incorporating their pet into the wedding.
Yeah, I've seen that too. Actually, most recently, they had their two dogs made into cake toppers and then put them on to, they had two different cakes and had one on each cake.
So that's just a few ways you can actually bring your pets into your wedding. If you have some ideas we didn't cover, make sure you throw it into the comments. That's what YouTubers do, yeah? Put it into the comments right
Put
here.
in the comments below.